Butcher's block stretch. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker with tight lats and poor overhead flexibility, you'll want to spend some time in the Butcher's block stretch. The Butcher's block targets the lat and tricep insertion and improves shoulder flexion, which is helpful for movements like handstands and overhead pressing. To perform the Butcher's block stretch, you'll need an elevated surface, roughly knee height, and a stick. Kneeling on the floor, grip the stick with a shoulder width supinated grip, palms facing up. You can go wider with the grip if this width causes pain or discomfort. Next, place your elbows on the elevated surface. The elbows must be closer together than the hands, as this will externally rotate the shoulders and increase the effectiveness of the stretch. From here, shuffle your knees back until the thighs are perpendicular to the floor. Your knees are stacked under your hips. For the most effective stretch, you'll want to flex the spine. To do this, set a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by tucking your tailbone between your legs and pulling your ribcage down towards the pelvis. While maintaining spinal flexion, push your head and chest towards the floor. You also want to move your hips away from your elbows and try to lengthen the torso. The goal is to open the shoulder angle by stretching the triceps and lats. To increase the stretch, contract the biceps and pull the stick towards your upper back. The Butcher's block can be performed for isometric holds, or we can perform repetitions of bicep curls. Slowly extend and flex the elbows to move in and out of the end range stretch. Again, do not allow the spine to arch as you do this. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.